Well, today I'm going to talk about some power stocks which are doing well and which experts believe can do well. Interesting thing is that these stocks are not that expensive. Like I've given you some cement shares. They are really very expensive. Okay. But these are power stocks. They are also a part of infrastructure stocks, a very integral part of infrastructure sector, but they are cheap. So it is easy to buy them, hold them, and wait for their growth. Most of them have done well. Okay. Uh, if we apply the 3 year rule, like I generally say, when you invest, you should at least hold a stock for 3 years until and unless there is some major problem in the company. You should hold that stock for at least 3 years, or your target price has been met before 3 years. Then of course you can sell it. But when I looked at the 3 years of these stocks, most of them have done well. Okay, so let's now start with the names. Of course, I would like to say that you have to use your discretion and you have to talk to your advisor before you invest in these stocks, because of course, I don't know your profile, I don't know your portfolio, and I don't know how much you can invest in. So you have to think and decide. I'm just telling you, if you want to invest in power sector, then what can be good options. Okay. Now, the first stock that I'm going to talk about is a company which we all know about, is NTPC. Okay. NTPC Limited. This has headquarters in New Delhi and it was founded in 1975. Now, if we talk about the stock here, it closed at 110 rupees, 111 on 4th March. Okay. So, if we look at its 52-week high, it's around 114 rupees. 52-week low is 73 rupees. Okay. PE ratio is 8.94. Okay. If we talk about 5 years, in the 5 years, on 11th March 2016, it started its journey from 105 rupees, and today it stands at 110. So it has kind of done well. It saw a dip in between, and if suppose we apply the 3-year rule, from 2016 to 2019, then from 105 it climbed up to 145. Okay. Then of course it dipped because of pandemic also. So if you are planning to buy this stock, you should hold it. This stock has been backed by experts. Okay. So this is NTPC stock. If we talk about the 5 years I've given you, if we talk about 1 year, then in 1 year it has done okay. On 5th March 2020, it was on 107, and this year it is on 110. Of course, last year was, pandemic ridden. So we should not talk about 1 year. So if we talk about 3 years, it did well. The other stock is, of course, a very talked about name in this Modi government, is Adani Transmission share. Okay. Now this stock closed at 837 rupees on 4th March. This is all these things, this video I'm making on 4th March. So it closed on 837 rupees. And if we look at its 1 year performance, it has only climbed, okay, from 250 rupees on 5th March 2020. It stabilized because of the pandemic, and then 837 rupees. Okay, it's a huge climb. If we talk about 5 years, it started from 30 rupees on March 2016, and of course now it is 837 rupees. So you have to think before you buy. Okay, 52-week high is 854 rupees. 52-week low is 147. PE ratio is 90.57. Okay, so Adani Transmission is an electric power transmission company. Of course, it is an electric company, so of course it will do well. because electric vehicles are now coming in focus. It is headquartered in Ahmedabad and currently one of the largest private sector power transmission companies operating in India. Okay, founder is Gautam Adani, and its revenue is around $1.6 billion in 2020. Parent organizations are Adani Group and SB Family Trust. Okay, so this is of course a well-known name. Another Adani company is Adani Green. Adani Green stock is very expensive. It is 1,182 rupees. It closed at this on 4th March, 1182. Okay, so if we talk about 1 year, this has also grown. From 152 rupees on 5th March 2020, it stands now at 1,182 rupees. If we talk about 5 years, well, from 29 rupees to this level. Okay, so this is also a good stock. Okay, 52-week high is 1,220 rupees. 52-week low is 111 rupees. PE ratio is 903.32. Okay, so again, Adani Green Energy is an Indian renewable energy company headquartered again in Ahmedabad. Parent organization Adani Group, founded on 23rd January 2015. Okay, so subsidiaries are Adani Green Energy Limited. Okay. After Adani, let's come to Tata. Now, Tata Power Company Limited stock closed at 109 rupees, and if we talk about 1 year, this has also grown. It has only grown from 44 rupees on 5th March 2020 to 105. Okay, 109. Sorry. In 5 years, it started its journey from 59 rupees on 11th March 2016, and today it's at 109 rupees. Okay, its 52-week high is 114. 52-week low is 27, and PE ratio is 34.11, which is not bad. It's a Tata company. It's an Indian electric utility company based in Mumbai. So again, this is also an electric utility company. Okay, based in Mumbai. The core business is to generate, transmit, and distribute energy. Okay. Parent organization is, of course, Tata Group, and founder was Dorabji Tata. Subsidiaries are Tata Power Delhi Distribution, Tata Power Solar, and some more. Okay, so this is a good stock. It is only 109 rupees. If we talk about price wise, then I have some more option for you. Power Grid. Power Grid closed at 225 rupees. Okay. If we talk about its 1 year journey, well, from 195 rupees on 5th March 2020 to 225 this year, despite the pandemic. Okay. Also, if we look at its 5 years journey, from 138 rupees to this level, 225. So this has also done well, and of course it's a government company. Okay. 52-week high is 238. Okay. 52-week low is 122 rupees. PE ratio is 9.99. Okay. So it is Power Grid Corporation is an Indian state-owned Maharatna company headquartered in Gurugram. Power Grid transmits about 50% of total power generated in India on its transmission network. 50% of power. So I think you should buy this stock. Owner is Government of India. Founded 23rd October 1989. Okay. Headquarters is in Gurgaon. So this is, look at the 5-year chart. The highest that this has touched is 232. Yes, 232. Okay. So currently it is at dip. So you can think of buying. One interesting stock is Torrent Power. Okay. Torrent Power Limited stock closed at 414 rupees. Okay. Why I'm saying it is interesting is because it started its journey 316 rupees last year, and this year, of course, if we compare March to March, it is 414. But if we talk about the last 5 years, then in 2016, it started its journey from 247 rupees, and of course, it is at 414 rupees. This stock has only grown. Okay, of course, some dips happen, and you have to be patient. Okay, so this stock has seen good growth. Okay, if you talk about 52-week high is 429 rupees, and 52-week low is 231 only. Okay, despite seeing a pandemic. PE ratio is 32.21, and dividend yield is 2.72%. Okay, so this is a good stock. Torrent Power Limited is an India-based company engaged in electricity generation, transmission, and distribution. Any company which has all, most of the power company has all these things, but all these arms strengthen a company. They reveal the strength of the company. Okay, its current operations are in Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Uttar Pradesh. Torrent Group is the parent organization. Founded in 1996, subsidiaries are Torrent Cable, Torrent Energy Limited. Okay, there's one more stock. I should end here, but I just want to add one more stock here. It is NHPC Limited. This stock is only 25 rupees. Only 25 rupees. Okay, and it started its journey 5 years back at 21 rupees. Okay, so this is kind of stable stock. 5 years ago, it started at 21 rupees, and abhi it is at 25 rupees. If we talk about 1 year back it was 22. Today it is 25. Last 1 year was not very good actually. 52-week high was 26.65. 52-week low was 15 rupees. Okay, PE ratio is 8.85, and dividend yield is 5.44%. Okay, now NHPC is an Indian hydropower generation company incorporated in 1975. Okay, so this is a hydroelectric power generation company, so it can be a stock for future. Because why I'm advocating this stock is, and also backed by experts actually, is because that this stock is likely to do well in the future. Okay, it's a hydroelectric power company, and it is only for 25 rupees. That is why I'm advocating this stock. So this is a wrap of these are my picks of power stocks which I've been promising for a very long time. And I hope you like this video. And of course, if this has become very long, I did not want this to become long, but what to do? And do share, subscribe, like my videos, and of course, do not forget to leave your suggestions, your comments in the comment box below. And take care and stay well, and see you in my next video.